Great news, more working class Americans than ever before are in the stock market. That does sound like good news, but when you dig a little deeper, it is rather scary. 54% of Americans with incomes between $30,000 and $80,000 have taxable investment accounts. There are several reasons for this, like no more commissions for trading stocks, the excitement of investing on certain social media sites, and it's so easy to trade stocks now as anyone who has a cell phone can pretty much trade stocks in an instant, no problem at all. I remember an old saying from years ago that when your barber starts talking to you about stock tips, that is the peak of the market. This seems to be where we're at today. And unfortunately, these investors have only been investing for probably 3 to maybe 5 years and have not experienced any long lasting declines or turmoil in the stock market. Many of these investors are simply trading stocks and don't understand the fundamentals of investing for the long term. Some of them have experienced very good returns, and this is dangerous, not because of any specialized knowledge, but because of the luck of picking some high flyers that have done well for them in the short term. In many cases, they do not believe it's luck, and they feel they now know what they're doing. These investors probably have no idea what the earnings or debt is for the stocks that they are trading. They just see that they continue to make money as they buy and they sell. It is a shame because many of them are young investors from the ages of like 25 to like 45 years old, and a big mistake could cost them years, many years of compounding. Over my 40 plus years of working in the investment industry, I've heard the same story many times. It never turns out well. When you try to help them to understand how things really work in the investment world, they justify what they're doing with such statements as, well, Brent, this time it is different. I wish these young investors would understand that investing in stocks and earning a 10% annual return per year is pretty darn good. I'm sure many who read this or hear the words I speak think I have no clue what they're doing, and they have a specialized technique, well, that just cannot fail. When the day comes, which it will, these investors will be left with a small amount of capital and not much time left to invest because they are now older and closer to retirement. Only then will they realize that the risky trading strategy proved to be nothing more than, well, just gambling. I'm Brent Wilsey with Wilsey Asset Management. If you like these videos, be sure to get a like or comment, and feel free to check out our other YouTube videos and the weekly newsletter for the latest economic news, expert analysis, and market insights.